Hey guys, Hunter Knight here with I always get asked what's the use of the loop tool. So I'm gonna give you here a quick tips on what's this little thing used for and how to make your own. Now the loop tool, some people confuse it with the ribbon tool, the also called lace tool. Yeah, a lace tool. This is mostly commonly used for clay. I don't use it at all. That's why it's almost new. Yeah, no, I don't use this one. I made this one because this one can be used for things like hair. In this case, you can see here this guitar I was working on. I made this little parts here with the loop tool. You always clean it, and you can make round shapes. Also, it's for beard. You see this screaming beastman hand that I just worked on. All these little features here, and on his face they were carved with this. Also parts of the tongue. Also, if you want to blend beard here, you just when the clay, when the epoxy is still fresh, you can just go like that. Also, you can carve little beard strands on this and then refine it with a clay shaper tool, which we'll talk some time another time. And also for when you sculpt ears, I didn't sculpt this ear though, you can also refine it like that to, for example, a Funko Pop. But you can have an idea of how these little parts here were done. That's also with the help of this tool and also clay shaper. But yeah, that's mostly it. But buying one from the store is like depends. Online they go for like $19, and yeah, no, you shouldn't pay that much. I'm gonna show you how you just. I made my own, as you can see. You don't have to spend that much. All you need is a busted brush and a paperclip. Yeah, and of course the weapon that every customizer has, the X-Acto knife. What you do is you wrap the clip around the X-Acto, and then with this thing here, you just start twisting it. Just don't go all the way with the pliers because you can break it. If you break it, just start over. That's it. Why am I using the X-Acto? This is just so it has a perfect round shape, and it's there we go. Yeah, it's a nice round shape. You can even go a bit further if you want it more rounded. There we go. Let's see. Well, there we go. A bit more. Yeah, that about it. And you just get rid of this part, and then you have your loop tool ready to go. Well, almost ready to go. Now, where is the brush? What you do is obviously you just clip this part. This part is useless, and yeah, either here you can be a bit more neat. I'm not that neat. So what you do is you just use this part and make sure it's secure there. You can use super glue in the meantime, and with the epoxy, when it's you just mix the epoxy and you put it around it like I did here. Yeah, you see? And there you go, you just save yourself $20. So that's it for the loop tool, guys. If you want to know anything about customization, action figures, sculpture, let me know. And thanks for watching. Now I'm gonna go eat because I'm hungry.